Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny, and today we'll be doing something totally different. Thank you, Ty. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny, and today we'll be doing something totally different. I want you all to come with me on a journey as we explore and try out a recipe from a fellow alkaline creator's cookbook. The title of the cookbook is called The Alkaline Fatty and is by a creator called Ty Cruz. This is a cookbook I believe everyone living the alkaline lifestyle should have in their library. Alright, let's dive right into the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need about 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of kamut spiral pasta. Start by cooking your pasta to your desired texture. In a large pot, you want to bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil. Ty was the first creator to ever compliment my work, even though she was way bigger than me on Instagram. Once your water comes to a rolling boil, add some sea salt. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of our kamut spiral pasta and give it a good mix. Let your pasta cook for about 7 to 9 minutes, then drain it. After draining your pasta, set it aside and let it cool down totally. Over here, I have about 1 cup of organic cherry tomatoes. We're going to pluck these from their vines. Going forward, I'll be doing more of these because I'd like to highlight some wonderful creators and entrepreneurs out there. Thoroughly rinse your cherry tomatoes, and when you're done, slice them into halves. When you eat these tomatoes raw, it's a wonderful experience. Once you're done, add them to a container and let's move on to the next ingredient. The recipe calls for half of a red bell pepper. Cut off the pith of your red bell pepper, then slice and dice. For more color and flavor, we're going to slice and dice half of a yellow bell pepper. So let's talk a little more about the cookbook. It has about 133 pages and it's very comprehensive. In it you'll find everything from breakfast to appetizers. Every recipe has its own dedicated picture, and that's a wonderful bonus. Anyway, going back to the recipe. Slice and dice half a green bell pepper, place it in a container, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Our next ingredient is 1/4 of a red onion bulb. We're going to thinly slice it and place it in a container. Please, I want you all to do me a favor. Go to Ty's page and show her some support. Tell her Manny sent you. Slice 3 to 4 key limes into halves. Next, you want to dice about 1 to 2 cucumbers. Make sure all of your ingredients are organic. Here's Ty on the cover of a cookbook. Let's make our salad dressing. To begin, we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of agave syrup, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. In a large bowl, you want to add about half a cup of organic cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to adjust all of the ingredients to your taste. Add the juice of 3 to 4 key limes, then add 2 teaspoons of agave syrup. Add some sea salt and adjust to taste. Add your onion powder, and then you can add some of your dried oregano. Let's add some red pepper flakes, and then finally we can add some cayenne pepper. Now we're going to whisk it all together. I think I'm doing good so far. Ty, how am I doing? Boom, Ty's happy and we got the thumbs up. So let's keep going. Welcome back. It's assembly time. Add your pasta to the bowl, then add your diced cucumbers. Add your diced green bell peppers, then add your diced yellow bell peppers. Throw in your sliced onions, then put some money aside for the cookbook. It's really affordable. Add your cherry tomatoes, then add your diced red bell peppers. Add 3/4 cup of organic sliced black olives. The book calls for dried basil, but I ran out today, so I'll be using some fresh basil. If you have dried basil, you can add 1 teaspoon. However, since I'm using fresh basil leaves, I'm just going to add about 10 to 15 whole leaves, then slice about 5 extra and add to the bowl. Now you want to gently toss your salad so you don't break up your pasta. Make sure everything is properly coated in the dressing. Let it rest in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours, then you can serve. You can also serve and enjoy it immediately, but it's best to let it rest. There you go. This salad is bursting with flavor, especially if you let it sit for a while. That'll allow all of the ingredients to get to know one another. The choice of ingredients are tip-top, and the cherry tomatoes go well with the basil. This cookbook is packed with recipes, and I chose the least complicated recipe. The recipes are made up of organic whole foods and they're highly nutritious. Again, the name of the author is Ty Cruz, and Ty is also an alkaline content creator. This is not a paid promotion. I personally feel Ty deserves more exposure because her work is original and it's good. So please head on to Ty's page and show your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.